Now, someone is going to think maybe I use these indicators for the sell, but I want to show you the reality of trading. These kind of indicators always lag, and they can never make you money from the market. So the best thing to do is learn technical analysis. Forget indicators, okay? The question is, should I buy? Because everything shows that the markets want to buy it. If I buy when I'm going to lose. So you see, I'm not using these indicators. Okay, let me even delete it. What I use is pure technical analysis. Look at it. Let me show you why I entered this trade. And it is very clear. Price was initially forming higher highs and higher lows from this initial. It was initially forming what? I think my network is down. I don't know why. But will come later on. Price is initially forming higher highs and higher lows at this point. Okay. Now let's shift to this point. What do you see? So it stops forming and it started forming what? Lower lows. So at the break of this, you just wait for it to pull back for you to enter. But we don't just do this. We first go to the daily time frame to check how the individual daily candles are closing. Now watch it. So you realize that the previous day's candlestick closed. It closed bearish. Price trap into this other block. My team and I waited for a bearish candle to print on the daily time frame. And then the next day was when we took our trade, the next black candlestick. Can you see it? So that it swept all the liquidities. It swept everything here. You saw it? So inside this sweep, there is a confirmation. And that is the 15 minutes higher highs changing to what? Lower lows. Clear? So let's go. Let me show you on the 15 minute time frame so that it will be clear to you now. Now see how clear it is now. After the sweep, and this was the sweep. This was the sweep, as you can see. That was the sweep. After the sweep on 15 minutes time frame. And then we immediately came to the 15 minutes time frame to confirm things. So we waited for it to what? Give us the failed high, which is this here. This one failed to form a higher high. Price broke it and then retested. And that was our sniper entry. So as we can see right now, so that the second entry is also sniper. Now what can you see? Price has taken the liquidity, has grabbed liquidity at this point here. Can you see it? At this point, there's liquidity grabbed. There's a break of structure here. So the next move is just wait for a fair value gap and then you enter. As we can rightly see here. So after price just retested this fair value gap, I took another entry here. And I'm going to update you guys how it goes. Okay. Now, if you want to join our free community, the link is in the description. Just click on it and join. In my Signal group, I don't take money from anyone. It's a free page. Now, these are some of our trades. Okay. So this one was shared yesterday. Let me see. It was shared. You can see it here, right over here. They were asked to place with some TPs from this level here. Okay, and another TP was taken here. So you can see. Yes, after the TP, the second TP, you got another entry, and then that's what we are in right now. Now, we don't only trade this, we trade gold. Gold signal was given long time ago, and then it actually triggered. This one too was a signal. Let me show you. See, I see price tapping to this So they were asked to enter, and then price just gave us perfectly as we anticipated. It was a sniper too. All right, so see you guys next time.